Hi folks, this is Mary here at BISH'S RV in Junction City. If you found this video helpful, just please give it a like. Today I'd like to show you this Rekon. I'm super excited about this one. 4-wheel drive, really rugged, can go anywhere. It's got lithium, it's got solar, so let's go ahead and look inside. Okay, here we are inside. As you can see, this screen is great. You do have the ability to open it on the side here to pass through when it's in the down position. And then here is your kind of galley kitchen cooking prep area. It's just a cooler, and you can remove this, take it outside, have a picnic. There's wheels on it. It's great. So there's inside here, the top is your fridge, and then the lower down here after you remove the bins is the freezer part. So that's a great thing. And then you've got these beautiful swivel seats right here, touch screen up front, and then look at this bathroom. So this is going to be a storage unit when you're not using it as a bathroom. This does have a cassette toilet, which is easy to use. A lot of people like that, prefer it rather than having the hoses. So I want to show you how much space there is. This could be used as a toy hauler, okay? So when this is in the up position, you've got all this space. You've got tie downs right here. This is where your lithium batteries are. This is where your water is stored. So everything is tucked away really nice and neat. Then you've got all this storage space. So it's like a party van. And then these beds come down in the down position. So they're about this level and they're super comfy. They've got foams on here. And then you have all this storage right here to put your gear all throughout here. And then this is the little sink area. Gives you a little bit more prep area, so because the cooler is a little small, but you've got everything that you need to go and be rugged. So if you found this video helpful, please give me a call. My name is Mary. I'd love to be able to show you this Rekon. My number is 406-850-4590.